Guys, we're going to be unboxing my new scooter I just got in the mail. It's a MGP vx2 team in red, no black. I'm going to get straight in. You'll use the scissors
because you're awesome like that.
Huh?
Because you're awesome like that, using your hands. Yeah. Use the side, look at the side. How does it feel?
Feels like a boss. Knife. Yes, I am old enough to use a knife.
Well, you're a big boy.
Yeah, I'm a big boy.
Wait. Want to see? Read
Are
it?
you mad enough?
Are you mad enough? Okay, wait. Ooh. Are you mad enough?
Okay, get out of the way.
Pretty sure.
We've got skate hat order.
Let's see.
Yeah, no, it's got my address on it, Ben.
I know.
Oh, I know, don't worry. It's okay.
Oh no, let's just tell everyone on YouTube your address. Yeah.
Moment of truth.
Hallelujah. It's got stock grip tape, scalloped head tube.
Read out the
I already know everything off by heart.
Yeah, read them
I'm
out.
sad like that. It's got the new Crunk MGP bars. I finished with MGP squid grips. That's pointless. Now it's got the triple. Is that quad clamp? No, it's triple. It's got the MGP triple clamp.
It's got crappy squid grips.
Oh, he said that. Yeah. Then
These should
for the deck, it's fluted.
They
Yep.
shouldn't wear as quick, should they?
I know mine was used, wasn't it?
Yeah, keep them reading the spot.
Yeah. Oh, MGP Aero Claws. Yeah, I think it's got
K1 punks.
oh K1 trunk bearings. What is that?
So it stop.
Hold this. Hold this.
Oh, it's here.
Way to make it dulled. We'll sort that out afterwards. Just sort that out
Yeah,
afterwards. Get to the deck. Get to the deck. Ooh. Ooh.
Look at that. Headset needs oil.
Ooh, sounds horrible.
Yeah, it does.
It actually does. Look, listen.
Needs oil.
That's the FSA headset,
Yeah, it
the
is.
newest one. They're
Yeah.
crap.
Are they?
Well, no, not. They're supposed to be good. I'll take it apart in a minute, Karen. Take it apart in a minute.
So, that's the
Is
unboxing.
that actually what this thing?
Yeah.
Sort of.
So squid.
They're more expensive MGPs have the better drip tape.
Oh well, it's still stop tape.
Yep.
These bars are quite small, so when we do it, it's gonna be.
Yeah, see, I told you it would be easy. They should give you an Allen key, Kieran.
Yeah, they do. Oh, the instruction manual.
Light and strong, apparently. We'll have to see that. It's got a flex brake.
Yep.
Flexy.
Do you want to put the forks on the wrong way around? Yeah, I'm gonna put the forks on the wrong way around. Right, ready, Ben?
Wait.
Let's take it apart then. Come on.
Okay, wait. I'll be back in a minute.
Thanks for watching, guys.
No, I'll be back in a minute.
Guys, we're going to do a scooter check of the new MGP vx2 team scooter in black. It's got MGP squid grips. They're quite nice, but my friend had them and they worn down pretty quickly, and
They're terrible.
they're quite crap. We got MGP Cronk bars.
They're really nice.
Yeah,
You've got the new.
Yeah, we got the new.
You just got a triple clamp. You've
Just an MGP one.
it's got FSA headset. It's had all the new MGP scooters that 2012 have the FSA headsets.
Yeah, it's got standard MGP. It's got MGP reinforced forks, and it's got MGP aero wheels. Like that. If we come down here, we got a scalloped head tube on the
Very nice.
Huh? Yes.
Very nice.
The deck.
Shock tape.
Yeah,
Wait.
you've got shock tape. We haven't tested it yet, though.
We've only just got built it.
The new version.
Together.
The new version of the MGP flex brake, and we got another arrow.
So it's got, look, 2 bolts instead of 1. Yeah. So then it hopefully won't come loose. Wait, the most important bit.
Oh, it's fluted.
Yes, look, let me show you. Let me see. What, it's too close.
It says MGP.
You can't really see it in this light.
Oh, bring it over here then. Yep, got it.
Wait. There. You can see on the side it's got really concrete.
And now we'll do a drop
test. Okay.
Are you ready?
Do. Yes, dear.
So it's dialed.
Okay, so
now we'll do first tail whip as well.
Wait. Okay, yeah. Why not?
Let's see how this shock tape works. Oh, the shock tape actually works, man.
No shit.
You ready?
Yeah. Woo.
Oh,
Yo. How smooth?